So over here in this page, I have applied a current page filter. So if I were to go around onto page and then go to current page settings, then you can see that a total filter is applied right here, which affects all of the data for this particular page that is being displayed. But what if I want to exclude, let's say, for example, the pie chart right here? So in that case, you can select this out. So let me just go around and select out the pie chart. And what you can do is over here. So let me just click on the pie chart right here. So let's say I want to exclude the pie chart out of the filter settings that I applied to the page. Then you can simply go around over here, and here you can see that page filter is here and it is inheriting the filter. So if I were to just disable this, then what happens is that the filter is not inherited by this particular chart anymore right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, do the same for other items as well. So you can go around, disable the inherit filter option, and there you go. So if you want to enable the filter right here, you can click on this again, and you can see that it simply goes around and inherits the filter again. So I can go around over here, click, and you can see that this is what you have. So let me just go around over here and click on this field right here. I don't want to filter this. Let me just click outside. And then what happens is that it is loading. So let me just click on this and scroll down. And over here on the filter side, let me click on inherit filter, and then it inherits up the filter again. And that is how you can turn off the filter inheritance from the current page settings inside of the Google Data Studio. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.